Leo Tolstoy once said, one of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. Hello everyone, today I, Manya Sood, on behalf of Allen House Public School, Vasundhara Ghaziabad, wishes you all a safe and a happy World Environment Day. World Environment Day, celebrated on June 5th around the world, helps spread awareness about protecting, conserving, and taking care of our environment, and was an initiative started by the United Nations. Before the flowers blossom at their best, they are buds. On that note, I would like to invite students of grade 1 and 2 for poem recitation.
Yes, Manyadi. And on that note, I would like to invite Karuna.
Hello friends, my name is Karuna. Do you know Environment Day is celebrated every year on 6th June to raise awareness about environment protection. So let's sing a song Environment Day. Let's perform together. Environment Day comes once a year, but we should make our message clear. Love and clean our earth each day. Make that our plan to stay. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Make every day an Environment Day. Environment Day comes once a year, but we should make our message clear. Thank you.
Next up, we have Kanakshri Nayak.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanakshri Nayak, class 1. Today I am gonna write a poem, Safe Environment. Earth comes to an end. Save it, my friend. Pollution is going on in every city, village, and town. Stop this ghost of pollution. There are many solutions. Don't pollute water and air. Don't throw garbage here and there. You can do something now or never. Let's save our earth together. Thank you.
The 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle, are the most basic ways to protect our environment that can be taken up by people of every age group. The euphonious of music can be a solution to many problems. On this note, I would like to call upon a school choir group for a melodious song.
Duck, 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 duck.
What a wonderful performance it was!
Art, for sure the most colorful and one of the best ways to spread any message. On that note, I would like to invite the students of grade 5th to 8th for poster making competition.
Dance, a divine form of art that has its own language. And what can be a better option than dance to spread awareness amongst the people? So here's presenting a scintillating dance performance by the students of grades 6 to 8.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
We, as Alanites, are proud of the members of the Alanas family who helped in the plantation drive.
This World Environment Day 2021, my one wish for the earth would be that all of us should treat animals and plant species with kindness and equality. Let's all aim to be climate warriors.
Morning everyone. Plantation is important as they improve the life and fulfill essential needs of mankind.
Firstly, I would like to wish you all a very happy Environment Day. As you all know, the environment is the most important aspect to survive on this planet Earth.
Plants is very important to our daily life because they give us
fruits
and oxygen. More important, oxygen.
Good morning all of you. The environment can be saved by planting trees, recycling, reducing pollution and creating awareness. It is one of the responsibilities for everyone to keep the environment clean and green.
Let the earth smile. A very pleasant morning today. We are celebrating World Environment Day. So let's take a pledge today to grow more plants instead of harming them.
Good and green morning, dosto. Environment Day every year reminds us that we must do something to develop the environment. Today, me, Sarika, and my daughter Yashvi are doing our bit towards the environment to make it a better place.
As we all know, to save our environment, we should plant more and more trees, reduce pollution, do not waste water. But there are some other tips which I want to share with you all. Check if all the taps are closed. Unplug machines when not in use. Make sure there is no garbage lying around. If the AC is on in the room, make sure the door is closed to reduce the consumption of energy. Keep a water bowl for animals and plants. Use eco-friendly products. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Now let's welcome Aditya Thakur to tell us more about the World Environment Day.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Thakur from class 6B. Today we are celebrating World Environmental Day. Every year World Environmental Day is celebrated on 5th June. It is celebrated to spread awareness and environmental protection. The day was first celebrated in 1974 in USA. It is each one of our responsibility to protect our environment. Green environment will keep us healthy. So green environment is better for a healthier life. Now itself, we know that we are suffering a lot for oxygen. What makes us to face such a issue? For that, we should do everything to protect our environment. This day reminds us to strengthen the world and make sure that we are doing our part to protect our environment. Life doesn't mean making money and leading a luxurious life. It also means to live healthy. As the proverb says, health is wealth. So today, each one of us should make a pledge that we will change our habits and we will give our 100% to save our nature. And at last, the most beautiful scenery is environment. So protect and conserve it to see it grow more and more. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.